boy. How you doing?
How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. There's a lot of noise that's going on right now because of all the generators that is running, but we are here at the beach. If I turn the other way, you're not gonna, I mean, you see all the cars and right, it's a lot of family from church, you know, the brothers that wanted to come out on this beautiful night, just to, you know, I guess fellowship and just have a good time. There's a lot of mosquitoes out here, but I'm just waiting on I guess Jerson to come. We are gonna move out of here because this is like the riverside, the Brazos River. So we're gonna move to the beach side, which is more quiet and I like it more. So yeah, but other than that, let's get straight to the video. So we are at the spot. I'm at the beach side. I have my setup here. I am wearing the waders, very loose, but I mean, I ain't complaining. It's gonna keep me clean and dry because I mean, I do gotta go to work in a couple of hours. But meanwhile, I do have the big rod out. I have my little setup right here. Jerson is right there. I'm right here in that car. But overall, I mean, yeah, I'm just waiting for a bite to happen. I mean, as every other fisherman, they just sit there and wait for that bite. But it is currently 5:20 something, somewhere around there, 5:30. So I'm getting ready for this morning bite. The water is very dirty, so hopefully we can get something out of today. But if not, glory be to the Lord, because we're able to have another day to just enjoy, and you know, I get to spend time with a brother in Christ. So it's always a blessing. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Oh, look, this guy caught this bird sleeping. He don't even know what's going on. ¿Cómo agarraste? Huh? It was like that on the floor, and he just... Es un bebé, right?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Mira, mira.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, señor. That's cool. Very cool. Fine, bro.
I just woke up. Oh, hello guys. Today's fishing trip, I slept most of the time. Junior slept also. But now we are at a new spot towards the beach area. We're trying to see if we can catch any trout, any redfish. Looks like Junior caught a redfish. It was like a what, like a 16-inch, 14-inch? Yeah, it was a 14-inch redfish. Pretty cool. But we're just here enjoying the weather, so we'll see what happens.
All right. I'm gonna, in a way, try to attempt to do a cast net. I am not trying to banana peel this, or like, you know, the banana boat, the boat. Mm-hmm. All right, so what I like to do is I like to grab a good amount. I know it's a little tangled, but I like to. I know there's probably other ways that y'all could do it, but this is my method, and hopefully it works out. All right, so let's go. Hey, look, just right there in the beginning, right there. I don't know what that is, but oh, it's like little, I guess, what are those little pumps, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're little, like, they look like little pompanos or some sort of jackfish, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for mullet, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But y'all stay tuned for the next cast, and they'll be full of mullet, so God willing. Okay, so right now we are changing locations. I did get a good bundle of mullet which was the plan. And also sorry for all that little tapping. Overall, this trip is doing good. I like it. I'm enjoying it, and I hope you're enjoying it as well. It's just a little, I guess, tag along with me video. Right now I am doing a somewhat of an off-road-ish type thing, but yeah, we're gonna head to the rocks, which is known as the jetties. We're gonna head to the jetties and see if we're able to hook on some fish, whether it's trout, redfish. I don't know. Let's see what's there, and yeah, this next video will be at the rocks. I'm gonna call it a day. Oh, it's been a long day, but a good day. A long day, but a good day. I don't know where to put this. Well, God bless you guys. I hope you have a great, wonderful day. But I'm closing the video because I'm tired. Peace out.